So Matt and I are here with the kids from
Solar Youth.
Solar Youth.
Solar Youth. Solar Youth.
Go. 1, 2.
I gotta think.
You gotta think about it. Okay, now we got Sean. He's like trying to think about the song that he wrote.
Sure, you told him your profession. You told him you can sing.
Yep.
He can sing. He can sing.
I know.
He could.
See, all you people.
Sing for him. It's your chance right now. Go ahead. You can make it big. We can make it off the hook.
I want to thank Joe and Matt for coming to talk about music, because music is something I really want to do. And I also want to thank them because they have let me determine that today I can start my music career.
And I'm the producer.
Have you proved that I would be a better guy if you let me back in? I will show enough, never let you go again. I was too foolish to ever leave your side.
I want to work in the band.
You want to work in the band? In what position?
I want to be a cashier. I want to count the
You want to count the
manager.
You want to count the money.
There's manager jobs.
And I want to be the manager. I want to own that. I'm going to make my own manager.
So you could be like,
You just like me and make a hospital.
so there are jobs, like you're saying, like, so you're talking maybe the producer then, like someone who like puts together a band, and it's like, you know, like a lot of those bands like Boyz II Men, and you know those bands, like you put together, you say, hey, I want to put Faraz and Sean together, and I want to make a band, and I'm gonna like own it, and I'm gonna make them popular. Is that right?
And I'm going to be our accountant. And you're going to put me as the background singer. And she's going to sing the background. That's it.
So
I can't tell if you're serious or not right there.
I'm dead serious.
You don't do that?
I'm going to be our producer.
You
And
could totally do that. I can see that. What kind of doctor do you want to be?
like when I first started, when I was doing my research, I didn't know. I just knew I wanted to wear scrubs.
Yeah.
And like my teacher was telling us, like you have to she wanted us to look up things, and because now I go to school for CNA, I'm about to get my CNA license. But I want to work in the hospice. I could do that with my CNA, but these people from Southern came to my school and they was talking to us. I think I want to be a flight nurse.
A what?
A flight nurse. I think that's what I want to do. But I want to do a lot. Joe. Because I like talking to him. He was funny. And I'm going to go to the thing in December. Me too. December 27th.
Yes.
I want to appreciate Matt because I feel we have some things in common, and it was nice talking to you again.
My name is Gami Moses. I'm the program coordinator for Solar Youth. I just want to appreciate Joe, Matt for coming through to mentor our young people and let them know what's out there and to encourage them. So I appreciate it.
So what do you think has been the biggest hurdle here at the school to get the kids to do what you think they should do? Or are they doing that?
Well, I mean, we offer a lot of new experiences for them, so sometimes that can be challenging for them, because we're asking them to step out of their comfort zone, so that's challenging itself, and that's what we're about. We're about challenging them, to step out of your zone, do something different, so we take them camping, we take them hiking, we take them outdoors, some of them are not accustomed to that, so that's build up. We do a lot of employability skills. We teach them employability skills. What does it mean to have a job, keep a job, on how do you leave a job, so we try to teach them that. And our focus is youth development, so we use the environment as a tool to do youth development work. So they also teach, we also teach them how to be facilitators and how to be mentors to the younger youth.